Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today we're heading to Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. This city isn't just about politics, folks. It's a place brimming with history, culture, and amazing things to see and do. So buckle up as we explore some of the most iconic attractions that make D.C. a must-visit destination. Now, I know what you're thinking. Rick, isn't Washington, D.C. all about museums and government buildings? Well, you're not wrong, but trust me, these places are anything but boring. They're packed with fascinating stories, incredible artifacts, and inspiring architecture. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or just looking for an unforgettable travel experience, Washington, D.C. has something for everyone. From the grandeur of the National Mall to the vibrant cultural scene, this city will leave you in awe. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in and discover the magic of Washington, D.C. First stop, the National Mall. This grassy expanse is like the heart of D.C., stretching from the Lincoln Memorial to the U.S. Capitol building. Picture this, a wide-open space dotted with iconic monuments, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic lunch. Speaking of monuments, you can't miss the Lincoln Memorial. This majestic structure honors the 16th President, Abraham Lincoln. Take a moment to reflect on his powerful words etched on the walls and gaze upon the imposing statue of Honest Abe. Next up, the White House. This iconic building is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. While you may not be able to snag a dinner invitation, you can still admire its grandeur from afar. And let's not forget the Washington Monument, that towering obelisk piercing the sky. It's a tribute to George Washington, the nation's first president. Take the elevator to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Washington, D.C. is a museum lover's paradise, and the best part, many of them are free. Start with the Smithsonian Institution, the world's largest museum, education, and research complex. It's like a giant playground for your brain with 19 museums and galleries covering everything from art and history to space exploration and natural history. Calling all space enthusiasts. Head straight to the National Air and Space Museum. You'll be blown away by the incredible collection of aircraft and spacecraft, including the Wright brothers flyer and the Apollo 11 command module. For a glimpse into American history, visit the National Museum of American History. You'll find iconic artifacts like the Star-Spangled Banner and Abraham Lincoln's top hat. And don't miss the National Museum of Natural History, home to dinosaur skeletons, ancient artifacts, and a dazzling collection of gems and minerals. Section 4, the arts and culture scene. Beyond the monuments and museums, Washington, D.C. boasts a vibrant arts and culture scene. Catch a Broadway show at the Kennedy Center, a multi-venue performing arts complex. From musicals to ballet to orchestra performances, there's something for everyone. For a taste of local flavor, head to Eastern Market, a bustling marketplace housed in a historic building. You'll find fresh produce, local crafts, antiques, and delicious food stalls. It's the perfect place to soak up the city's lively atmosphere. And if you're looking for a unique cultural experience, check out the International Spy Museum. This interactive museum delves into the world of espionage, with exhibits on real-life spies, gadgets, and secret missions. Section 5. Exploring beyond the icons. While the iconic attractions are a must-see, don't be afraid to venture beyond the beaten path. Take a stroll through Georgetown, a charming neighborhood with cobblestone streets, historic houses, and trendy boutiques. Escape the city buzz at the United States National Arboretum, a 446-acre oasis showcasing a diverse collection of trees, shrubs, and flowers. Or explore the National Zoo, home to over 2,000 animals from around the world, including pandas, lions, and elephants. And for a unique perspective of the city, take a boat tour along the Potomac River. You'll get stunning views of the monuments and memorials from the water. Section 6. See you in D.C. Well, folks, there you have it. A glimpse into the wonders of Washington, D.C., from iconic monuments to world-class museums and a thriving cultural scene, this city has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your D.C. adventure today. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments below what you're most excited to see in Washington, D.C. Until next time, happy travels.